Cheeseburger Keto Casserole. If you're on a keto diet but miss the satisfying flavors of a cheeseburger, this Cheeseburger Keto Casserole is the perfect solution. It's got all the delicious, savory goodness of a cheeseburger without the bun and with way fewer carbs. This dish is rich, creamy, and packed with protein, making it ideal for a quick weeknight dinner or a meal prep option. Why is this casserole a must-try? It's simple. It combines the best parts of a cheeseburger, ground beef, cheese, and that irresistible savory flavor, into a comforting dish that won't throw you off your low-carb game. Whether you're on a strict keto diet or just looking to eat a little cleaner, this casserole satisfies cravings without the guilt. For a recipe that serves 6, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 small onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, ½ cup heavy cream, ½ cup mayonnaise, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon mustard, yellow or Dijon salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil for cooking. Optional toppings: crumbled bacon, pickles, lettuce, tomatoes. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and garlic, sautéing until soft. Then, add the ground beef and cook until browned, breaking it up as it cooks. Season with salt and pepper to taste. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, mayonnaise, eggs, and mustard. Stir in 1½ cups of the shredded cheddar cheese, and mix well. Once the beef is fully cooked, transfer it to a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour the creamy cheese mixture over the beef, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle the remaining ½ cup of shredded cheddar on top. Bake the casserole for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. This casserole is best enjoyed hot, but it also makes excellent leftovers. Want to make it even better? Add some crumbled bacon or serve with pickles and tomatoes for that full cheeseburger flavor. What toppings would you add to your Cheeseburger Keto Casserole to make it even more delicious? Share your ideas below.